Okay, how to print and cut. I already uploaded my photo basically to the design space. I cleared it out. I took out what I do not need. Therefore, I saved it. So I will browse. I will open uploaded images. There they are. There's the image I am needing. And I will be inserting that. There's my image. Now, when you have your image, what you have to do is you have to, you have to make it big or place the dimensions. When you're doing a print and cut, the dimensions, it cannot exceed 6.75 inches in width, and it cannot exceed 9.25 of height. That is exactly how big I want this to be. So I'm going to unlock that portion, and I'm going to put 6.75. Oh, I put 45 there. I'm sorry, you guys. 6.75. And then for my height, I will put 9.75. That is how I want it to be. That's how big I want it to be. I have a little icon here that says layers. I'm going to check that out to see what it says. Okay, now it says the image is too large. Okay, what I am going to try to do now, I'm going to try to flip this over, but I will make that smaller. I am going to keep on flipping it over this way, make sure it's straight. I usually do this on my laptop. That's why I'm using the iPad right now, and it's actually being hard for me to calibrate it correctly. Again, let me make sure the dimensions. Okay, the width, I want it to be 6.75. I didn't do that. 6.75. Okay, my height, 9.25. I am having such a hard time with this. Oh gosh. 9.25. Okay, yes, finally. Okay, now we will go ahead and click make it. Okay, since this is going to be iron on, basically I will be putting it on a t-shirt. You know, every time you iron, you have to put the mirror. Remember, mirror for iron on. Okay, so I'm going to iron this up, turn it into mirror. Sorry, I will actually be doing 2 of these. I already did 1, so my quantity, I'm going to change it to 2. I'm sorry, I'm holding my cell phone while I'm doing this. It's going to ask you if you want to change project copies. Yes. Okay, it changed it to 2 copies. Now, again, you're going to have to mirror the image. I already mirrored it. Okay, so that is ready. You press continue. It's loading. Okay, the first thing you will get is to print. You have to print your image first, and then you will cut it. When you print it, sorry, it's all blurry. It says print image on a printer of your choice. You send it to your printer. You should already have it linked to your computer or any device you're using. I'm using the Canon TS3300 series. And then you put your sheets on there. I actually want to show you what type of paper exactly I am doing. Give me one quick second. Let me get that. Okay, I am using Jolie's Boutique Easy Image for light fabrics. These are transfer sheets. When you buy transfer sheets, you need to make sure you are picking the correct ones. For example, what I mean about that is if you're going to be transferring on a light fabric, white fabric, you buy for light fabrics. Now, if you're going to be doing a black fabric or any other color shirt, you buy the dark fabric. That way the transfer will be good. These papers, this is the part that the image goes on, the blank part, and then in the back it has those red lines. That is the part that goes in the back. So you put it like so in your printer. And then you hit the print option. It should be going to my printer any minute now. There we go. It's printing. This is my sister's printer. Again, this is the Canon TS3320. It works nice. It works well. At home, I have the HP 2755 desk jet. But they both are nice. Okay, the sheet is out, so it's printed. Okay, what you need to do is you need to place your image, your picture, your paper exactly how it shows on the mat. So okay, so I have placed the paper on my mat. Again, you have to put it exactly how it shows that it will go on your mat. I have my material set on light cardstock. The cut is smoother, it's better. Once I just take off the excess and the image removes easily. You will see once I do that. And then you just place your mat. You press load. Okay, once it's loaded in, the go button will start, the Cricut button, that's the go button, will start blinking. So you press it. Okay, what I am cutting out is the image itself. I'm cutting out the insides. This, because the t-shirt will be white. But I did leave the stars and the white lines to be on that transfer paper. Okay, it says the image is cutting now, so let's go to the mat. Okay, it's cutting the image out now. It's cutting the image out. Okay, the image is done, so you get a notification that says load next mat, and I am so sorry. Again, I am at my mother's house. That is my sister yelling like crazy. So I pressed OK. Let's unload our mat now. Okay, I have unloaded my mat from the Cricut machine, and this is where you can see the magic. The magic happens once you print and then you cut. But voila, your image is on the mat. Again, all you have to do is lift your image, and voila, there you go. The excess stays behind on your mat. When you have your image already cut out, just remember, try not to touch it, try not to scratch it, because what is on top, this is what will be transferred to your shirt or whatever project you are doing. When you're transferring your image, you need to iron your fabric first. I am using a heat press. Just to prepare it. Okay, this is the image I will be using. I will be using it here. I usually just eyeball the place where I want it to go. That looks fair enough. That looks even. That looks good in the middle. I do need to get a ruler. I've been wanting to get a ruler like for shirts, to make sure that way everything is actually centered correctly. But I have not yet. But once I get more money, yes, of course I will. I did place the image upside down on my shirts. I am using parchment paper to put on top just to be on the safe side. I have found it to be best for my heat press to be, right now it's at 350, but that's the lowest, to be set at 400 and for 20 seconds. Second beep is for the time. Okay, there, and then I'm going to press set. And then we are just going to wait for this to heat up. I'm just going to keep it to the side because I don't want the heat to be right directly over the shirt right now. Well, just wait. The temperature is going up. It's going up little by little but steady, and that's good because remember, you want the heat to be, I forgot, I just had a brain fart. Sorry. But to be even throughout the whole heat press and 400 degrees for 20 seconds. That's how I have done it so far, and it's worked for me. Okay, it is almost at 400 degrees. I'm going to be turning the plate over. Sorry about the lighting. Okay, as soon as it hits that 400, the timer will start. So I put my bar down, and there goes the seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes the beeping noise. Okay, so it went down for 400 degrees for 20 seconds. It's hot to the touch, so we are going to let it cool down. My other image already printed, so I will be doing the same things. I will be, while this is cooling down, I will show you a recap one more time, okay? Okay, my image already printed. Remember, I sent it to my printer. It's already printed. So what you want to do now is you want to place it on your mat. I'm using the light grip mat, the blue mat, and you want to put it exactly how it is, how it shows on your design space. Okay, you load the mat and you press go. And there it goes. It's cutting the image. Remember, as I stated before, I am cutting all of the white. The only white parts I am not cutting is the white lines and the stars. That's the only thing I am not cutting out. I'm just letting it be on the transfer paper. But then other than that, that white box and the white in the middle, all that detail in the middle, I am cutting that out. Okay, I did a mistake. But again, mistakes are bound to happen. I did not mirror my image, and you will see when I unload the mat, it cut it the wrong way. You see this? You see this? That's why it is so important to mirror your image. To mirror the image and to place it exactly how it is on the mat. I did do it exactly how it is on the mat, but my error was that I did not mirror the image. So now I will have to do it all over again, and that sheet goes to the trash. Therefore, I just wasted, 5 minutes and paper and ink. But I will try this again. And I made sure I mirrored my image. Okay, I made sure I mirrored my image, and I will be printing this one more time. Press continue. Again, sorry for the background noise. I'm in my mother's house. Happy 4th of July, celebrating 4th of July with mom and family. Okay, so I will be sending it to my printer for it to print. And there we go. It's mirrored. So I will be printing. Oh, look, the printer is low on ink. Good thing this is the last sheet. And I hope it does print out right. At least half of it is coming out. Cross my fingers here. Oh yes, victory! It came out whole. Yes. But that means I cannot print out no more right now because my ink is slow. Again, we will put the sheet exactly how it is on the image on design space. It is like this. Remember, material said is too light cardstock. It just makes everything much easier. And then I will be loading the mat and pressing go and crossing my fingers one more time. Okay, I am putting my mat on my Cricut, and I will be loading my mat. Oh, sorry, this isn't working. Okay, now it's loaded. I'm sorry. And then I will be pressing go. Press the go button. Fingers are crossed. And there we go. It is cutting one more time. I'm sorry I'm repeating everything. I will be cutting out all the white in the box. The white box. All the white that's inside of the S of the super logo, sign, image, whatever it's called. And then what I will be leaving on the transfer paper is the white lines and the white stars. Right now it is detecting cut center marks right now. Okay, now it's gonna start to cut. It's cutting, you guys. Fingers crossed. It looks like it's cutting correct this time. I actually did it correct this time. Yay me. Okay, well that is cutting. I will be peeling this off. But remember, when you peel it off, do it in one whole motion straight. That way, you know, there won't be any creases on it or anything. Okay, I have removed the transfer, and I'll show you the transfer on it. So that is how you do the print and cut, you guys. Hopefully this helped you. I'm so sorry this video was so long. I am sorry for the background noise. Again, I'm at my mom's house. Happy 4th of July. Hopefully everybody is having a great 4th of July. God bless you. Have fun and be safe with the fireworks.